How to install Hulu app from Play Store. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store. Make sure you have stable internet connection. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of search. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Hulu and then search for it. With that, app will appear. At the moment, this app is not available in my region. If this app is available in your region, all you have to do is click on the app and you'll get the option of install. You have to click on it. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. If you guys also don't have this app in your region, what you can do is close this, then launch your preferred browser, type in Hulu and then search for it. Then you can head towards the website of Hulu. Just click on this option, hulu.com. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can click on three bars, then click on login. Now from here you can easily use the Hulu. Well, this way you can easily install Hulu app from Play Store. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.